Last season on Izingane Zesthembu, a lot of people did not warm up to Utirelo because she was mean. To a lot of people, it looked like she was just always picking on Uvuyakazi and she was just there just to make Uvuyakazi feel uncomfortable. But she was also mean to like the siblings as well, Umpumelelo's siblings as well. So maybe it was because she was pregnant, or maybe because I don't know okay, like what was her intentions on last season, but this season you can see girl's head is a lot more clear. She's asking the right questions. So I really am warming up to Utirelo this season, you guys. And there's something that she touched on that I think a lot of people do not talk about, you guys, which is the issue of the baby. Of she said sometimes when she looks at Usingabako, like she basically regrets. She feels like she said that actually when she looks at Usingabako or having some Singabako, she says should have never happened. Sometimes she looks at him and thinks, what an inconvenience, because a lot of things have had to change since years came. And I know some people will judge her to say, like, how can you look at your child and think what a inconvenience? But guys, the honest truth is that a lot of people go through those thoughts of having a child at a point when they are not ready. And because a child, like basically you are the one who must nagagela that child through and through, especially as a mother. That's why some people say that you as a woman should have a child when you are ready, because a child is a mother's child. And I know it's not true in every case, but in most cases, you guys, a child is like the mother's primary responsibility. So don't just have a child just because a guy's like, I want a child. Have a child because you're like, yes, I'm ready. Because chances are you're going to be doing 80% of the work. So I think that was so honest of her and so vulnerable of her, because many people go through the feelings of just feeling regretful. Not that you don't love your child and not that your child is not a blessing in your life, but guys, it comes with a lot. And I'm so grateful for her just opening up with that. And I really think, guys, by the time this season or by the end of this episode, I really do think Utirel is going to win a lot of people over to her side, because there's just something about a person being vulnerable and opening up about certain things that a lot of women go through, even women who had children within marriage, still feel those feelings of their children are inconvenience or an inconvenience. But it's a lot, you guys. But also, Utirelo on last season, she was acting unbothered on on her status messages on Instagram, like it was all fun and games, laughing and all of that. But this season, like we can really see another side of her, that maybe it's the baby that made her realize that, hi, bo, guys, this is not umzalo. This is her life we talking about. So anyway, she's having a conversation with Umpumelelo, and listen, Utirel is asking the right questions. I was happy that she was asking the right questions, but at the same time, I'm just like, what's the point of asking the right questions and still staying in it? Because probably you know the answers to some of those questions. So what's the point of asking the right questions, getting the answers you don't want to hear, and still staying in a relationship? That's my thing about it. I'm like, yes, you're asking the right questions and you're seeming smart, but you're still in this relationship. So, like, none of between of you as the integral, no one's better. But they in the same circumstance, Even Umatsele, she's also in the very same boat. She just has not realized it as yet. So anyway, she's asking the right questions about Indaba Zumbe, but I really want to talk about the baby issue thing, where she's basically saying that she regrets having the child, and she asked something about, because Ulokuzana, Umpumela just basically saying Uteralo must go and stay in Zumbe. And then she asked him, so if I go and stay in Zumbe, like am I going there as Singabako's mother? And I think maybe Uterelo just doesn't want to come forth with it and just ask him, when are you marrying me? Because a person asking like, am I going there as Singabakwa's mother? Who do you want to go there as, ma'am? Who do you want to go there? But I get her question at the same time, because you can't take a baby mama uyomhlalisa yini, you guys. You must marry her. Like, what is Tirelo even going to say, Kibo? You know, leaving her home and she's not even married, only for her to I just don't think she's she's asking it explicitly, like, when are you marrying me? Because it looks like she was shaming Vuyo for doing that. And now she's in the very same boat and she's just afraid to ask. Well, at least on television, she seems afraid to ask Umpumelelo ukuthi, like, when are you really marrying me? But it just seems like Umpumelelo wants this woman to perform wifely duties while he's not even doing the right thing. Like, he must do the right thing. He must stop talking a lot, take them as women, and then expect them to act as wives. Because, like, what? Like what? So yeah, you guys, so Utirelo opens up about the inconvenience of having a child, and you know, yeah, I could see even in her diary sessions, you could see there's no pretense there. She's really like, this season she decided, you know what, I'm gonna wear my heart on my sleeve and I'm really gonna speak my chest out. But you can see that she has a lot of regrets, even with the whole thing of the long distance relationship. Like, you know what it seems like to me, you guys? It seems like to me that these ladies, including Utirelo, when I'm speaking about Utirelo and Uvu, you guys, it seems like they really love this guy, but they know very well that they are getting bare minimum. They are getting bare minimum, and maybe they're just holding on to the fact that maybe they're holding on to the good memories. But now that there's children involved, I mean, it's the father of their children. Because Utirelo was even saying, like, she doesn't even know Wuti Endeni. Should she hold on to, like, should she just be hopeful? But she did say that she's going to go ahead and live her life. And you know what? I think that's the best thing. When I look at Tirelo's social media pages, she is in love with her son. It is such a beautiful bond. And you know what? I really hope that she focuses on that, because my darling, my love, it doesn't seem like there's life in this polygamous relationship, Nompumelelo, you guys. If you're going to enter a polygamy, guys, mentally you must be prepared for it. It's no child's game. So if you are not prepared for it mentally, Shem Guzoshub, that thing is gonna mess with you mentally. And I think at this point it really is messing with Tirelo's mind, and it's gotten to her. Which, nope, she was not the better one off. She is currently in the same boat as Uvuyogas. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.